Well, she's in and then hooked up to the truck. I just got done bolting it all up and tightening up all the bolts, but I got a shit ton of room between the camper and the bed of the truck, but that's only because that hitch raised my front of my camper up about 5 inches. So if you look at it, you can see she's riding high in the front. So, and I don't even have any air in my bags in the truck. Once I air them up, it's going to raise it another couple inches. So I got almost 2 inches here. So tomorrow I'm going to unbolt it and move it up one hole at least. I can go up one hole, so that's an inch. We'll see. Anyway, she's in now.